Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this very quick abstract butterfly painting with alcohol ink and markers. So please stick around. And before we start, I just want to let you know some safety tips on alcohol ink art. So make sure to pause the video and read it, which is very important. And for blending the alcohol ink markers, I'm using this 91% isopropyl alcohol. So this is a very quick painting I just did with the Cali art markers. These are alcohol ink based markers. So when you draw that and you pour isopropyl alcohol, it starts blending and it creates an abstract effect. So this is a rough painting. So I just used a piece of photo paper. I'm making this quick version on the back side of photo paper. And as you can see, there is a watermark called Canon on this paper, but that's okay because I just want to practice it before I draw it in a nice paper. So that's what I do. When I make it for the first time, I practice in this kind of paper, a small piece of paper, which is about 6 inches. And I use this color pink, and some areas I use purple. And I just lay down the colors using this Cali art markers. You can use any kind of colors that you like because butterflies come in all colors. And to blow the painting, I use this. First of all, I pour isopropyl alcohol and then I use this air can to blow the paint. This air can is available in hardware stores. It's basically when you press the nozzle, it releases air and that makes this abstract effect. So pour a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and then just blow it with air can. It's the same air can that we use to clean computer keyboard and all that stuff. That's the same thing that you can get it at the hardware stores. Now I'm adding some more colors like pink, purple, blues and all the cool colors, and then I repeat the same process. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell icon, because when I post new videos, you'll be the first one to get notified when you click the bell icon. So that's very helpful. And also please feel free to share in your Facebook groups or friends groups so that they also visit my channel, and that's a good encouragement for me to make more videos. And to make the body of the butterfly, I use the same Cali art markers and some fine liner black pens to draw the antenna.